Hi Weddle Wolves, this is Principal Lund and welcome to our second virtual assembly. This week for our virtual assembly we are featuring our staff's pets, and so tonight I have here joining me Bailey. This is part of our family. This is Bailey. She's a 3-year-old golden retriever, and as you can see she has lots of toys. She has her stick, she has her Kong, she has her turtle, and her football. It's her very almost favorite. Her very favorite though is her orange ball. She loves her orange ball. Right? Do you like your orange ball, baby? Here you go. Good girl. So we hope you enjoy our assembly today. Next week starts online learning with your teacher. Make sure that you're logging in every day into Google Classroom or into Seesaw so that you can check out what learning your teacher has posted there so you can keep your brains growing. And make sure you're also checking out our Weddle YouTube channel and all the great things that are happening there. Have a great day. We miss you. We're sorry that you're not going to be coming back to school this year, but we're going to keep doing things like this online so we can stay connected. See you soon.
Hi everyone, it's Ms. Shroud here, the counselor at Weddle. So we all know that social emotional learning, also known as SEL, is super important, and especially during this time of quarantine and this season of life, really. And so what we wanted to do was we know that we've been working really hard on what we've been learning all year so far about social emotional learning, but we wanted to figure out how could we somehow bring that in the virtual world or in the home setting. And so with that we thought, okay, let's share it in our virtual assembly of what that might look like. So we have, Sandford Harmony, which is all about the, building connections and relationships. And so our wonderful Mr. Peters, he's actually going to be posting a question each day. And so you can go on our YouTube channel to find out what question he's asking or challenge he's proposing. And then you guys can do that at home, and you guys can build connections and build relationships. And so it's a way to connect from school to home as well. So you can look forward to that, and we'll actually hear from him in a moment. We also will hear more about the zones of regulation. And so zones of regulation is all about self-regulation. So that's recognizing feelings and emotions, but also making connections and figuring out what tools or what coping skills can we use to deal with those feelings and emotions. And so we also have some pretty cool experts in that field as well. So we have our 10 staff, and so we have Miss Shannon and Miss Carrie who will be posting videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays describing a feeling, but also how to deal with some of those feelings as well. So whether or not you visited the 10, that's totally fine. They just have a lot of knowledge in this area, and they would love to share this with our community. So that's pretty cool. And then last but not least, we have Toolbox. And so Toolbox is all about problem solving, and so problem solving in a variety of capacities. And so a lot of it is recognizing where you are feeling wise, and then figuring out what tool you could use from your toolbox. So as you know, we've already done several throughout the year. We're up to April now, so we've done that would be 10 tools. 10 tools already, and so that's really exciting. And we'll do the last 2 in May. But if you want to go back and review or reteach or be introduced to some of the tools, I'm totally agree. So we're actually going to make some of those lessons and read alouds and activities available online as well. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I hope you guys enjoy the rest of the assembly. Bye.
Good morning, Weddle Wolves. I am here in my room, a little different setting than you guys normally see me in. I have my hat on, my goofy headset on, and a sweatshirt. And I'm here because we're all stuck inside. And I'm going to be creating videos daily and asking you guys a series of questions or activities we can do together with your family, with your friends, with staff. But we've decided at Weddle to make a way to reach out to you guys, to reach out to staff, to reach out to students, to reach out to families in a way that we can without being, physically there. And what this channel is going to be focusing on is Sandford Harmony cards, conversations, exercises, things you can do with anybody. You can even interact with the video yourself. You can comment in this comment section your answers. But let's start with this one today. So today we have, if you could choose to be anywhere in nature, whether it's the beaches, mountains, ice caps, deserts, forests, jungles, volcanoes, you could be in anywhere. You could be anywhere. Outside. Where would you be and why? I think if someone would ask me that, so Mr. Peters, if you could be anywhere in nature, where would you be? I would be at the mountains right now. Because when I'm there at the mountains, it's peaceful, it's quiet. It just gives me a sense of calm. It makes me feel very calm. And when I come back from snowboarding or when I come back from the mountains, I just feel recharged because I was in my happy place. So, fun fact, I love the mountains. Where do you guys want to be? If you could be anywhere in nature, where would you be? Comment down in the section below with your answer. Email it to me, email it to your teacher, talk about it with your friends, with your family, anywhere. I just want to hear from you, and we're all stuck inside. It gives me an opportunity to reach out to you guys and for you to reach out to me. So like and subscribe to this channel because we'll be posting videos daily and weekly. We'll be doing this a lot, so thank you. Stay safe, stay hydrated, wash those little hands of yours, and yeah, I'll see you tomorrow.
Hi Weddle Wolves, it's Miss Shannon. Miss Carrie and I miss you guys and we miss your faces a lot. So today I will be talking about the emotion worry. Okay, I'll be walking you through what I do to cope with these emotions, to give you the tools to help you grow and help you figure out how to not worry. So, number one, I want you to know that worry is okay, and everybody worries, and it's very common. Number two, do you ever ask yourself, what if this happens and what if that happens? So that's called worry. And so what can we do? This is what I do. Number one, I think about all the things that make me happy, that make me a strong person, all of the things that I can learn and appreciate, and I'm grateful for. Number two, I find a quiet, comfy spot, and you could find a corner if you want, a place outside. Just try to find some place that you feel safe. Number two, I close my eyes and I take deep breaths. When you do that, it gives oxygen to your brain and you can think a little bit better. And so I do that until my body is calm and quiet. After that, I move on with my day. And I am a much happier person, and I'm ready to just move on and do the things that make me happy and things that I appreciate. So I want you guys to know that I love you, and you guys are amazing, and you guys have done a great job through this time. So I will hopefully see you soon, and we will be doing this Tuesdays and Thursdays, and you guys can access it on YouTube. And we will talk to you soon.
Hola familias de Weddle, estamos aquí para mostrarle cuán sencillo y fácil es el proceso de venir por su almuerzo y el paquete de académico para sus hijos. Puede bajarse de su auto, indicar cuántos almuerzos ocupa. Las personas tienen ya los paquetes listos, lo pueden tomar y además pueden tomar el paquete académico para sus hijos para trabajar en casa. Los paquetes van desde kinder hasta quinto grado en español y en inglés, al igual que tenemos una hoja llamada Listado de Recursos para las Familias en Situación de Crisis, en español y en inglés también. Y por último, me gustaría mencionarles que si su hijo o su hija la pasada semana agarró una computadora y de alguna forma no está funcionando de manera apropiada, hay una aplicación que puede llenar para hacer saber al distrito que necesita hacer cambio de ella. Así de simple. Mientras está esperando para agarrar su almuerzo, puede agarrar el paquete y está listo para marcharse. Así de fácil. Gracias. Los esperamos.
Hi everybody, this is Miss B, the library assistant at Weddle Elementary School, and I'm here to talk to you about how to pick up lunches at our food distribution sites as well as supplemental learning packets for your children. So when you come up to the school, you're gonna park your car in front. You do have to get out of your car, and then at each food distribution site, we have 6-foot lines set up so that you're not close to anybody else. So you'll get out of your car and let them know how many lunches you need. While you're waiting for your lunches to be gathered, you can also pick up learning packets for your children. So for kindergarten to 5th grade, we have learning packets in English and Spanish. We also now have a crisis resource list for families with a huge list of contacts for counseling, health and wellness, and other wonderful resources. Also, if you picked up a Chromebook for your student last week and it was not functioning or the charger is not right, you will need to fill out this half sheet and bring it with you on Friday, April 10th to one of the high schools to get a new Chromebook. If you have not yet picked up a Chromebook, you will also get the opportunity to do that on Friday. We look forward to seeing you here. Stay safe and well.
Greetings, Weddle Wolves. This is Miss Bear, and I'm here to share with you one of my favorite things from school growing up. My favorite subject was science. I loved science because it was an opportunity to explore, to be curious, and to wonder. This week, as part of our virtual assembly, I wanted to share an experiment with you that you can participate with at home. For this experiment, you just need a couple things that you should have around home. You'll need a bowl or a cup of water, a medicine dropper, a penny, and a paper towel or something to absorb water. If you do not have a medicine dropper at home, you can use a straw, cutting it down to about 2 to 3 inches, and then squeezing the end to grab water. For our experiment, we're gonna take our medicine dropper, suck up water into the dropper, and we're gonna see how many drops of water we can get on the penny before it spills over. So I'm going to begin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There it goes. So I got 19 drops on the head side of the penny. I wonder if you can get more than 19 drops. I also wonder if you can get more drops on the head side of the penny or the tail side of the penny. I also wonder, can you get more drops with cold water than hot water? Whether you do the actual experiment or you make predictions along the way, feel free to participate by sharing responses in the Weddle Facebook page for this experiment. We'll give people a few days to respond, and then the whole experiment will be uploaded to the Weddle YouTube channel. My favorite scientist believes that if science is boring, you're doing it wrong. We hope that you enjoy this opportunity to explore with curiosity and wonder, and we will look forward to interacting with you.
Hey guys, that was my dog Luna. One thing I really like about her is that she likes to play fetch, but she actually brings you the ball to your hand. Give me the ball. Give me the ball. There you go. Stay safe out there.
Hola chicos, soy la maestra Ochoa otra vez desde mi casa aquí con mi mascota Mocha. Hi Weddle Wolves, this is teacher Ochoa. I want to introduce you guys to my pet, Mocha. She's a deer-head chihuahua. Me and Mocha hope that everyone's staying safe and healthy and hope to see you guys all soon.
Hi you guys, this is my dog, whoa, come here Selbu. This is my dog Selbu, and he would like to say hi to all of you too, and he's pretty excited, oh he's tired too. This is a different time for him. Have a great day today, we love you, bye.
Hello, Weddle families. This is Mrs. Fairley. I miss you, especially my kinders in A2. And this is my dog, Baby. She's about 10 years old.
Hey Weddle Wolves, it's Miss B from the library, and I'm here with my Kit Kat Mochi. Mochi says to read some poetry books for National Poetry Month. Take care!
Oh, good Sierra. There's a snack for you. Shasta, snack for you. And those are my dogs, Sierra and Shasta.
Hi, Weddle Wolves, from Miss Courtney and Miss Coco. We miss you very much. Take care of yourselves